Hi, homeschool homies. Welcome to my channel, Erica Lynn, Homeschool Mom, and I want to be your homeschooling bestie. Today, I am going to teach you a little bit about how to navigate this channel so that you can get all of the goodness out of it. And one of the first things you are going to notice is that my videos are not highly polished, super edited, and chiseled down to perfection. And that is because when I am here, I want to be talking to you as if we are sitting on the living room couch having a conversation about how homeschooling is going for us this week, or sitting at the kitchen table with a cup of coffee in our hands, discussing all the ups and downs of what we are learning as we take this journey together. So please start by subscribing to my channel below and clicking on the notifications bell. That way we can continue to have this conversation together about what is homeschooling and what does it look like and how can we make it through here, not just alive, but thriving. Here at Erica Lynn Homeschool Mom, it is my goal to help homeschooling become easy for everyday moms and dads. So you don't have to feel like you went and got a college degree in order to be able to teach your children at home. I am trying to put all of the tips and tricks that I have learned over the last 12 to 15 years into these videos so that you can learn from my mistakes and you can navigate things a little more seamlessly than I did. Now, when you're watching my videos, I want to be clear. My videos are first and primarily intended to the homeschooling parent. Even though I do have some read alouds that are perfect for your student to sit down and listen to with me, I want you to always be involved. I want you to always know what is going in your students' ears and what we are discussing here. So be sure that you're checking out my videos first and that you and I are having a conversation before you just hand this over to your student for them to listen to me on their own. Now, if you are watching this video, you might already be on my home page. So let me walk you through this together so you can see how best to navigate everything that I have going on YouTube. This is my YouTube homepage. When you scroll down, you can see that I have my homepage set up according to grades and levels of curriculum. I love being organized, which if you've watched any of my videos, that's probably one of the things that you come here for, is to find out how I am organizing my homeschool materials. I have organized my YouTube channel just as effectively as I would tab a homeschool resource that I was using. So what I have done is I have gone through and made playlists that apply to each grade level of the different curriculums that I am trying to support you in teaching your student. So when we start here, we're going to start with my challenge playlist, starting with challenge A and then working our way up to challenge 4. And in here, you've got all of the playlists that are going to apply to this level. So I'm going to have some general helps. I'm going to have some read aloud book lists here. Let me just look at this challenge B because this is the grade that I have directed for 5 years. And so I have the most resources on this level. Each of my challenge grades are going to start with a summer prep list, as you can see here. The summer prep list are some things that you need to think through in advance. Maybe tabbing some of your books or coming up with a plan on how to grade and keep records for the year, things that you should watch over the summer and review and see how you're going to tailor your curriculum to your student. Then I've got the grade level extra helps. These are going to be projects and tasks that come up throughout the year through the guide that your student might need extra help with. And so I'm going to record videos of other students performing these presentations to give you ideas and help brainstorm. I'm going to have myself breaking down some of these tasks. So these extra helps are things that you want to be familiar with. That way you know at what point during the year you want to come in here and use this resource. That's a really good playlist to save to your watch later or to bookmark so that it's easy for you to navigate to quickly, because it's going to have resources that you're going to be pulling on all of the weeks throughout your year. After this, I've got the Lost Tools of Writing playlist, which we use for A, B, and Challenge 1. These are the essay videos for each of the weeks that you need to go through, taken from our community's parent orientation. And then after that, I'm starting to include all of the read alouds that I am doing for each grade level. So you can find those at the end and use those if they are helpful to your student. Once we get down to the bottom of the challenge levels, I have some director playlists here that will help you navigate your year better. And then I move into My Father's World. Again, I'm starting at the base level, which is going to be kindergarten for My Father's World, and moving up to the higher levels. And so I've got some playlists that have general tips. And then if you move over here, I've got some playlists that are very specific to the grade level. So kindergarten, you're supposed to present information to your student at the beginning of each week. And so here I've got theme information videos that you can watch each week. And then I have a whole unit on how I give verbal cues to writing letters. So everything is kindergarten age appropriate. And then we continue going down, and I've got the same things for several other levels of My Father's World. And I will continue to be adding to these as time goes on. So my homepage may look different to you now than it does in this video. Finally, at the bottom, I have some in general homeschool tips. These are not specific to a curriculum or a grade level. And so I've lumped these and calling them lifestyle. I do want to point out I have all of my curriculum reviews down here. So any curriculum that I have actually used with my student, I am reviewing for you so you can see what it was like. I'm not going to review anything that my family hasn't used for at least a full year. So that's going to be my guideline on these curriculum reviews. Finally, if you go back up to the top, and if you think you know a video of mine that you'd like to watch, but you're not sure where to find it, you can click this search glass, not up at the top of the page. That searches all of YouTube, but right here, next to post, there's a search glass. And if you click on that, it's going to search just my videos. For example, you could search for daily lesson plans, and it's going to come up with all of the videos that I have done breaking down the daily planner that I sell for Challenge A and Challenge B. This is going to be helpful for you to find a specific video. Finally, I don't have it right now, but there are two things that are coming soon to watch out for. Pretty soon, there's going to be a link for a store right here because I am moving all of my lesson plans and homeschool resources from the Classful account to the Shopify account, which I can link right here on my YouTube channel. That way, when you're watching a video, you can stay in the YouTube app and flip over to my store and buy something that you are looking for without having to search up a separate website. Watch for that to be coming soon. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I am working on a homeschool teacher's course because there are so many people who have jumped into homeschooling post-COVID that want to do this well and aren't exactly sure what this looks like. And there are more resources out there than ever before, triple, quadruple what we have had 10 or 15 years ago. And it can be so overwhelming. Just like all the other videos that I do on my channel, I want you as just everyday moms and dads to be able to homeschool your children with joy and with pride in the work that you have done. So when I create this teacher's course, there's two things I am trying to build in you. I want you to feel competent and I want you to feel passionate about what you're going to teach your student. If you have those two qualities, you are going to become one of those teachers that students never forget. And that is exactly what your child deserves. They deserve the best teacher that motivates them, inspires them, and challenges them to new levels. And that's what I want to help you do. I hope this is a blessing to you and you are able to find all the resources that you need on this channel. Please go and look at your curriculum and grade level before you leave and glance over those playlists and save one or two that's going to be helpful to you so that you can find it again later in your playlist. And have a blessed day.